how to customize checkout page in Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to shopify.com. Once you're routed to the page, simply log in or sign in to your Shopify account and then you will be routed to your homepage basically. Now today we are going to customize our checkout page, and to do so we are going to simply go to the left hand side of our Shopify panel. Here under sales channel, we actually can see online store and then click on it. Now go to the theme section of your online store. As you can see, I am using the Dawn theme, or this is my current theme right here. Now we are going to customize it. Click on this green button right here, and then it will basically route you to your edit page or customization page for your theme. Now, all we need to do is to go to our checkout page first. So this is how my checkout page looks like, and we are trying to change that one. So in the beginning, I actually tried a apparel store, but it did not work out. So now I am focusing on digital products. So here, let's go to the checkout page under our theme settings. Okay. Now the first thing that we can edit is our banner. So the banner is what you see there above with the picture. So in order to do that, we can actually click on change and select image. So I chose the free image. I do not have an image downloaded on my computer for that section right there. And since I am going to focus more on digital products, I will be clicking on work and productivity. Now, let me choose a picture that coincides with my brand. All right, so for instance, I'm going to make use of this one right here and select on it first. There you have it. So as you can see, the changes have been made with our banner. Now the next section that we have right here is our logo. So for our logo, I am going to simply select the logo that I have right here and click on done. So there, our logo is so big. So let's try to edit the size right there. First, I don't want to put it in the left, but rather in the center of our banner. And then I'm going to choose the small. Small is too small though. So let's stick with the medium, and there you have it. Could also do with large. Okay. So if you click on your logo, it will basically route you to your home page. Let's go back to our checkout counter in order for us to see the changes we have done. All right. Now, next section is our main content area. So in this section, we are going to simply choose a photo that we want to add to our background image. So for example, I'm going to add an image right here in my file. So let's simply look for it, and there you have it. Now, if we want to add this one, we're just going to click on it, wait for it to download, and hit on done. So there, as you can see, it has changed already. Now, if you don't want to add a photo, then you can actually add a background color instead. All right, now we can click on white for our form fields. And then for our order summary, we're going to add the same image, for example, and there you have it. So the next section that we have right here is our background color as well. But of course, we are not going to make use of that since we do have an image already. Now for the typography, we are going to edit how our font looks like through clicking the drop down button for typography. All right, there you have it. And here, that's for the heading, and for the body, I'm all good with the font basically. In order for you to also change the color of some of the font or some of the background right there, you just need to click on these buttons right here with colors. And then, as you can see, the color of the checkout button or return to cart button is changing. So I'm going to make use of blue for this one. And for our errors, instead of in the sold out, you can actually see that we have our color. So for instance, I want to make use of a yellow colored for sold out, and there you have it. All right. Now, the next section is our checkout settings, which you can actually manage in a while after you do that one. But as for me, I don't think that the background image suits my business. So instead of that one, I'm going to change it. And instead of a image, I'm going to add a background color instead. But let me just choose the color. So here I'm going to use this shade of red. And also for the checkout image, let's remove that one. And instead, we're going to use the same color as the one that we have in the summary section page. So there you have it. Now let's try to save the changes in order for it to apply. And here in the upper right hand corner, we can actually see an ellipsis and click on view. So when we view it, let's go to our checkout counter. So simply add something to your cart, for example. So I'm going to add this to my cart, for instance, and then add to cart and go to checkout. Now in our checkout page, you can see that all of our changes has been made. So that's about it. And before we wrap things up, let me tell you three reasons why it's important to customize your checkout page. First is that it enhances user experience. Customizing the checkout page can help create a user-friendly interface that can make the purchasing process more efficient and intuitive. When the checkout page is well designed, users are more likely to complete their purchase, leading to a higher conversion rate. Second is branding and trust. Customizing the checkout page can also help to strengthen your brand identity and build trust with customers. By using brand colors, logos, and messaging on the checkout page, customers are reminded of the company they are buying from, which can lead to a stronger connection and more repeat business. Third is streamlining the checkout process. So, customizing the checkout page can also help to streamline the checkout process by removing any unnecessary steps or distractions. By simplifying the checkout process, customers are less likely to abandon their purchase, leading to a higher conversion rate and increased revenue of the company. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.